cumprod. Cumprod is a function in the numpy library of Python. How cumprod work? This is example. This is the syntax of cumprod function. It has 4 arguments. A lot of times, or many times, there is only one argument, a, which is an array. So a array like input array. Okay. Sometimes you have the second argument, which is the axis. We will show examples when there is axis, and sometimes there is 3 parameters, a, axis, and d type, and sometimes there is the 4 parameters. So we have examples already. You can read this and learn them. I will copy in the description, put in the description, but we'll show you the examples directly. If I have a, which is nb dot array, and this is the array of these elements, and now we will compute the cumprod of a and output it. Simply, there is just only one parameter, which is the array. Okay, so how to compute cumprod? We multiply the first element with the second and put in the second. The first element stays the same. The second is the multiplication between the first element and the second element, and the third is the multiplication of the second element and the third itself, and so on. Okay, so the fourth element will be the third element times the fourth element, and so on. If we have this, we will collect all elements together. So we have 3 elements and 3 elements. There will be 6 elements together. And now 1 times 2, 1 come the same. But here we have an argument for the float data type. So the result here will be float, not integer, as the input. Okay. So we have the 1, 2, because 1 times 2 equals 2, and then 2 times 3 equals 6, and then 6 times 4, 24, and then 5 times 24 equal 120, and then 6 times 120 equals 720. Okay, very simple. If we have argument axis equals 0, so the first will be followed as the same, no action, and the second here we times 4, same, and then we times 4 by 1, 4, and then 5 by 2, 10, and then 6 times 3 equals 18. Okay, if we have axis 1, so the same, 1 by 1, 1, 1 by 2, 2, 2 by 3, 6, 2 by 3, 6. Okay, and then 4, the same, and then 4 by 20 by 5, 20, and then 5 by 20 6 by 20 120. I hope you understand this. It's very easy. You know now the difference when the x is 0 and the x is 1. The x is 0. The first array the same, and the second we multiply the elements of the first array by the second array. Here x is 1, we do the multiplication accumulation cumulative as before, as there is no axis, and the second the same alone, separate alone. So this is cumulative separately than this. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If there is any questions, don't hesitate to write your comment, and I will reply in a comment or in a video. If you are not subscribed in the channel, subscribe to reach every new video we upload. Thanks for watching.